feel more comfortable with. And our first speaker is Richard Yumul, and he's going to talk about Eclipse.
All right, hey everybody, my name's Rich. I think it's about time Drupal was a verb, and I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks on how to do it faster with Eclipse. So if there's one thing I want you guys to take away from this, is to become a ninja with your tools, right? Become a power user, become an expert. I don't care if it's with Eclipse or NetBeans or Coda or whatever, just become that power user, because when you're a power user, you'll develop your modules faster, build your themes faster, and basically solve all those bugs on your issue queues faster, and fulfill why we're all here in Chicago this week to produce more Drupal per unit time, right? So why use a big Java IDE to edit your PHP? A lot of people complain that it's big and it's bloated, and it is. It's 137 megabytes just to download, but Eclipse has a lot of features, a wealth of features that helps me stay in the zone, helps me maintain my state of flow and develop my PHP faster and with a deeper level of focus, right? So what are these tips and tricks? Basically it comes down to keyboard shortcuts, right? So the first one that I'm going to show you is Command-Shift-R, which is open resource. I don't have to remember what the file path or type it in to open a resource. I just type in the first couple of letters and then Eclipse will find the file and open it for me. Saves me time, Drupal faster. Command-Shift-N, this is really cool because now I don't even have to remember what the file name I need to open is. I just start typing in the name of the function I want to edit, and then again, Drupal will find the file, open it, and put the cursor right where the function is defined. F3 is great for when I'm stepping through the code and I want to see the source behind a function call. I just hit that, and again, Eclipse will find the file, open it, and put the cursor right where the function is defined. Saves me a lot of time, helps me Drupal faster. Eclipse also has PHP error detection, or syntax error detection, so I don't have to wait for Apache to tell me that I have a syntax error in my PHP. It tells me right off the bat and shows me that I need to add a brace or something. Context assist is really cool because now I don't have to remember what the method signatures are, right? It'll pop up it'll show me the method signature and show me what parameters I need to pass to it. And you'll also notice it has PHP doc support. And this is really cool because now I can see the documentation behind the function, and I can help save the Drupal Association on their bandwidth bill from all you guys hitting api.drupal.org. Command-Shift-F is automatic format, which helps me not even have to worry about whether or not I have the right number of tabs in my code. And I just hit that, and my code's instantly formatted, so it's easy for another developer to read. It has support for version control, CVS, Subversion, Git, and so hopefully that'll make it easy for your developers to adopt these technologies. Let's see, issue tracking. At SageTree, we use FogBugs for our issue tracking, and the cool thing with this feature is that when I reopen a case or an issue, Eclipse will open up all the files that I opened up the last time I was touching the issue, and it saves me a lot of time. Inline debugging. Inline debugging is really cool because it's the closest you're going to get to being inside the matrix, where you can stop the code, look around, check out the call stack, see what functions are being called, look at the variables as they're being set, and actually step through the code as it's being run. All right. So if you're still using Echo or print lines for your debugging, take the hour to learn how to use the inline debug. It's a huge time-saving feature, right? And the last shortcut that I have for you is Command-Shift-L, which is learn a new shortcut every day, which is basically brings up the cheat sheet for all the shortcuts in your Eclipse workspace. Now you might think, okay, so these shortcuts might seem a couple seconds here or there, but if you're doing it 100 times a day, it adds up, right? So if you become an expert and save yourself 10 minutes each day editing code, it adds up. Over the course of the year, it turns into over a week's worth of time. So my question for you, if you're a single developer, is what are you going to do with that extra week that you have in your year? Are you going to Drupal more, or are you going to take a vacation? If you're a company owner or a project manager, my question to you is how many developers do you have? Like I said, it adds up. So I just blasted through a bunch of shortcuts right now. If you want a cheat sheet more of my little nuggets to help you Drupal faster, put your email address in the newsletter and I'll send you my PDF cheat sheet. So that's it. Thank you, everybody.